Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shati and I'm a makeup content creator. In today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. To see how I create this look, this purpley and very glamorous yet very easy look, then please keep on watching. And also if you're new in my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload. And now without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So my face makeup is completed. Now I'm going to start with eye primer. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer for my eye base. I will use this Pretty Offset eyeshadow palette for today's look. My dress is purple and I'm thinking of doing something which will match my top. So I'm going to take some purple shade. This one. But before that I need to set my eye base. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me powder, pressed powder, and I'm just setting my eye base. Now using that purple shade. So I'm stamping that purple shade just on that outer half and also on my inner side. Now I'm going to take this purple shade, this is from a light up section, and then I'm applying it on my crease. And with the side of this brush, I'm blending it upward and make this shade as my transition color also. Okay, now again I'm going to take that previous dark purple shade and going to intensify the depth of that color. And for this inner lid, I'm going to use this very beautiful lilac shade, lilac shimmery shade. Look at this shade. And I'm going to apply that here. This shade is really amazing. And now again I'm going to take that previous dark purple shade and going to blend with shimmery shade. Now I'm going to use this white kajal to tighten up my lower waterline. And this kajal is by Absolute New York. I'm going to take the same dark purple shade for my lower lash line also. And also on my inner corner. And for this middle part, I'm going to use this shimmery shade. So the eye look is completed. Now quickly I'm going to complete my this eye and going to put some lashes and gonna complete my lip, and I'll be right back. So I'm back with my eyelashes, lipstick and mascara. But one thing I totally forget, that I forget to highlight my eyebrow bone. So I will do that now. I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Big Radiant Highlighter palette and highlighting my brow bone. And I am also forget to highlight my inner corner, so I'm doing that also with the same highlighting palette by Makeup Revolution. So that's it, and with that my look is completed. And you guys, please let me know, do you like this look or not? And if you like this look, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I am also on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to follow me there, I'm gonna share the links on description box below. Now I'm going to share some of my previous works. You may like to watch this also. And with that, I'm going to wrap up here. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.